The FiveStarCable 22.2 security alarm wire is designed to provide efficient power and signal transmission over long distances. With a generous 1,000-foot length, this cable is packaged in an easy pull box for convenience during installation. The cable features a durable white outer PVC jacket with black and red insulation, ensuring clarity in wiring and robust protection. Its 22 American wire gauge stranded conductor design makes it ideal for both security systems and home automation setups. This versatile wire can be effectively used for ADT alarm signal systems, offering reliable performance in various applications. Crafted by FiveStarCable, this product is a testament to quality and innovation in security and surveillance solutions.